Hello Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. If you have 10 minutes, obviously I will request you, those who are Forex traders and those who can't do profit from Forex, I will request you, please spend just 10 minutes to watch this video. Those who are Forex traders and those who are going to watch this video, if there have any noise around you, that means someone watching TV or someone browsing Facebook or someone chatting, I will request those people, please spend just 10 minutes to watch this video. I hope those who can't get profit from Forex and those who are beginner, definitely this video will help them. Today I will share a tips which tips definitely help you to build up your career in Forex. Maximum Forex traders are losers. Those who are doing trade on Forex, definitely sometimes they face loss. But how you can recover those loss and how you can build up your career in Forex, I will share those tips in my today's video. First of all, I would like to say every Forex trader face loss in their Forex career, but they recover their loss. But after facing loss, if you leave Forex or leave any job for not become successful, then there is no more fool than you. Those who did great job in the world and those who are successful men, definitely once time they have passed the day of failure. They learn from their failure days. That's why they are now successful men. There have many examples in the world, like as Jack Ma, the builder of Alibaba, Steve Jobs and Bill Gates. They are also past their failure time and now they are successful men. They are men, we are also men, but those who are Forex trader, maximum time they become hopeless. We become hopeless if any trade face loss, and we become very happy if any trade hit the TP. I see some Forex traders who have been in Forex for a long time. They are sharing their screenshot of profit, but no one shared their losing screenshot. So do you think no one faced loss in Forex? Every Forex trader faced loss because there is no 100%. So we have to recover our loss. So I take 10 minutes from your valuable time to describe how you can recover your loss. So see this video till the end. At first, those who are Forex trader, please don't do some mistake from now, like as trading aimlessly, avoiding money management and psychologically problem. You have to solve those problems with your hand, because if you don't try, no one can solve it. So those who are doing trade, they should fix those problems before placing order. Don't take order aimlessly. Don't break money management and fix your psychological problem. Suppose you have $100 in your account. You're doing trade with 0.01 lot. You're doing trade with 0.05 lot. You're doing trade with 0.02 lot. You don't using a specific lot size. Today, which tips and technique I am going to sharing you, I will request you please use a specific lot size and key profit ratio must be 1:2 or 1:3. Okay, now we can calculate if we have $100, how we can profit by the balance, and if we face loss, how we can recover it. Your balance is $100. In that case, you have to trade a specific amount in a day or week or month. I say again, your balance is $100, $500 or $1,000 doesn't matter. You have to do trade a specific amount in a day or week or month. There are many Forex traders who follow profit ratio 1:1. Please never do this. Your SL is 10 pips, your TP is also 10 pips. In that case, you will not be profitable. You will be loser. Your profit ratio must be 1:2 or 1:3. I will obviously prefer 1:3 profit ratio, so that your one profit can recover your 3 loss. If you do 10 trade in a single day by 0.01 lot size, your SL is $1 and TP is $3. Among 10 trade, if you face 2 loss, you will gain 8 trade. You are following such a strategy that could be technical analysis, fundamental analysis, moving average, trend, your own strategy or price action. Doesn't matter. You should follow such a strategy that you can trust. Which strategy make you profitable? obviously I will request you to do trade in favor of trend and also follow support and resistance. It's my request to you. Now we can go our main topic. You are doing 10 trade in a day or week or month. If we gain 8 trade, we will lose 2 trade. Our profit ratio is 1:3. That's why we lost $2 and we will earn $24. So 24 minus 2 equal to 22. Our total profit is 22. If you follow your strategy properly and also money management and profit ratio, you will earn $22 out of 10 trade. Now you can say that you can't gain 8 trade out of 10. Yeah, there have many forex traders who follow such a strategy which can't be profit 8 trade out of 10. That time what should you do? Okay, you are doing trade as before. Same lot, same profit ratio. That means 1:3. But you gain 6 trade among 10 trade. That's why you lost 4 trade. According to your strategy, for gaining 6 trade, you will earn $18. And for losing 4 trade, you will lose $4. Profit $18 and loss $4. That means your total profit $14. If you follow all rules like money management, profit ratio, you will be profitable though you face 4 trade. Leave it. Suppose you can't even gain 6 trade. You gain just 5 trade out of 10. But again you will be profitable. Though you lost 5 trade, you can calculate it. Suppose you didn't even gain 5 trade. You gain just 3 trade. But still you will be profitable. I say again, you are doing 10 trade in a day. You lost 7 trade and gain just 3 trade. But still you can be profitable. You gain 3 trade, your profit is $9 and you lost 7 trade, your loss is $7. So we can calculate 9 minus 7 equal to your profit is $2. So still you are profitable. Ultimately, there is no strategy that you can't gain 3 trade out of 10 trade in your favor. If you maintain money management, follow a specific strategy, maintain trading time, and if you follow your strategy strictly, I say again, if you follow your strategy perfectly, there is no strategy that you can't gain 3 trade out of 10 in your favor. Now you are thinking it's possible to earn from Forex. Yes, it's really possible. If you don't think Forex is a hard platform. If you think those tips easily, then you can also earn. But you have to follow your strategy strictly. You have to maintain money management. And you have to set up your SL and TP as if your 1 profit can recover your 3 loss. If your 1 profit can recover your 3 loss, definitely you must be profitable. I say again, there is no forex trader who don't face any loss. Every forex trader face loss. But gaining success, you have to know all tips and technique and the power to recover your loss. Forget your past. Follow your strategy strictly. Follow your profit ratio must be 1:3. After placing order, don't check out continuously. I say again, how many dollar you gain or how many dollar you lost, don't check out it. Don't close your trade without hitting SL or TP. I say again, never close your trade without hitting SL and TP. Avoid trading on news time. I say again, those who are doing technical analysis, they must avoid trading on news time. Must use SL and TP in news time. Your SL is 10 pips, maximum time you face loss. So you can set up your SL in 20 pips or you can set up your SL according to your strategy. If you set up your SL in 20 pips, you have to set up your TP in 60 pips. That means 1:3 profit ratio. Or if you want to follow 1:2 profit ratio, then if you set up your SL in 20 pips, you have to set up your TP in 40 pips. Or if you want more profit or if you have big amount of balance, you can set up your SL in 30 pips, then you have to set up your TP in 60 pips or 90 pips. Maintain money management, maintain a specific risk ratio and follow a strategy strictly. Then you must be profitable. Follow your profit ratio 1:3 so that your 1 profit can recover your 3 loss. Before ending this video, I would like to say those who are forex trader, they should think you are doing a business in forex. If you deposit $1 lakh in a business, you can't earn $1 lakh in every month. You have to stay for profit. Forex is same. If you deposit $100 in forex, you can't earn $100 in a single month. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is ICM Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.